Okay everybody, today on Family Cooking Life, we're going to be making a broccoli cheddar soup. Super simple, super easy. Soups, honestly, are the easiest things to make in the kitchen. If you got leftover chicken, leftover pork, leftover anything, you can make a soup. So we're going to use onion, some garlic, some cheddar cheese, some heavy cream. We're going to get it going and do it really fast. I'm going to do a soup and sandwich video, probably not together, probably separate, but super easy, super fun. Let's get to her, get the soup done. Hey guys, first things first, garlic. I'm gonna get this diced up. Garlic, done. Onions. I have a partial onion from earlier. I'm going to use that. Now, I'm going to say something about onions, just because I believe they're the biggest flavor of your soups. So, yes, it's broccoli cheddar. It doesn't say broccoli, cheddar, onions, garlic soup. This is just your flavor. So, what I like to do is dice them really small, really thin, and they kind of disintegrate in your soup. But onions are the flavor of every soup. Every soup. Even a mushroom soup. Okay, next I have my broccoli. I'm going to go through it, make sure it's all there. I'm going to do the broccoli in 2 separate cooks, okay? This is super important. So the first cook, you're gonna boil up half your broccoli. I got more than this. And you're gonna get it done, and then you're gonna emulsion blender and blend up the onions, the garlic, everything into the soup. And then you're gonna add some broccoli in at the end, so you have broccoli chunks and some substance to your soup, okay? You'll see how I do it. Throw a little oil. First thing is our onions. I want to get those sauteing first. We want to release their sugars because the garlic only takes a few minutes. Okay guys, onions are caramelizing a little bit. They're getting nice and soft the way I like them. They're bringing out their own sugars. It's going to make the soup taste wonderful. I'm going to add my garlic and we're going to saute that for 2 minutes. I have some vegetable stock over here, and I'm going to throw my broccoli in. And I like to just saute the broccoli and the onions and everything together to get a nice kind of flavor to the pan. Okay. We are up to a boil. We are going to let the broccoli get nice and soft. Okay guys, we're gonna emulsion blend this. Okay, what about does the emulsion blending? Missed a few pieces, but that's okay. Now it's going to really have that broccoli flavor. Oh yeah, perfect. Use a bit of half and half cream, full cream, touch of regular milk. It's a perfect color. Nice. Now when you add the cheese, we're going to add a little bit of salt too. So I don't think we'll have to add more salt. Oh, we might. Okay guys, family's woken up. So we gotta finish this with them awake, but that's okay. We did our xanthan gum in here for thickening. Looks great. Consistency is great. So now we're gonna add our cheeses. I'm gonna add a little bit of parm just to give it that yummy flavor. About a half cup. And then we'll let that melt in. Okay. Well, cup and a half. There. Perfect. And it's melting perfectly because of our consistency of our soup. The thickness is there. It's going to change the color a bit. Add that flavor. Now, because I like broccoli chunks in my soup, I take my broccoli and I dice it up. I like to put them in at the end, about that size. Okay. All of that's in. Heat it up. Let it cook. Our soup is ready for dinner tonight. A soup with biscuits and some sausage patties, probably. There we go. Oh, look at the consistency. Perfect gluten-free broccoli cheddar soup. Oh guys, tastes amazing. If you want to know any more about this recipe, just message me down below and I can tell you how much xanthan gum I put in. I can show you how much salt, how much pepper, but this is perfect soup. I like to melt a knob of butter in with my soup to give it a nice shine, add some fat, add some flavor. Thank you all for joining me on my broccoli cheddar soup I guess adventure today. Super easy soup. Guys, I can make this in under an hour and you've got dinner for the night. I like to have some meat with it, some sausage or whatever, or bacon grilled cheese sandwiches, anything. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Just a final, guys. That's the way she's supposed to look. Gotta try it. Beautiful. My taster. Yum.